Hi, Troy Moldy here with Henry Homebuyer. Here is a recent home I'm going to walk you through in the changes and updates that we made. Here we're looking at the kitchen. All the appliances are shot, the kitchen cabinets, countertops, everything needs to be replaced. From the kitchen, we move to the dinette. This is located right off the kitchen. It's a nice space. We just need to clear out the clutter, so we will work on removing the debris. This is the stairs off the kitchen going upstairs. This home currently has one bedroom and a loft next to the primary bedroom upstairs, which we'll be going into, and then two bathrooms, one upstairs and one down in the basement. The stairs are see-through. Some people like that design, some don't. I decided to work with them because they were one piece and replacing all the stairs would be very costly for little to no benefit. You can see the paint. We had some bright colors we will replace. One thing this picture doesn't show, there's a large window above the stairs on the landing up there. It was cracked and I ended up replacing that one and three other ones. The carpet's totally shot, so it has to go. This is the loft. You can see the railing over to the right, and if you were standing in the room looking down, you would be looking into the living room. If you look up, you'll see that second large window there that I replaced. The loft is a small space. It has good width but not great depth, so this is something we'll need to consider with the redesign and figuring out how to maximize the space. We're now walking into the primary bedroom. This is located next to the loft upstairs where we were just in. It has a walk-through primary bath I'll show next. The bedroom does not have any overhead lighting. Everything is lamp lighting. The walls have a thick, dark wood siding. The room walks out to a private patio over the garage. Everything in this room has to go. This is the walk-in bathroom off the primary. It looks all original to the home, old vanity with old countertops, old tile flooring. Everything will be removed and replaced. Now we are back downstairs on the main level in the living room. It has high ceilings with a fireplace, two walkout slider windows to a deck. This is the room off the kitchen and dinette. And this area here from this angle shows the loft that looks down over the living room. This is the bathroom down in the basement. You can see it has all original tile floor, vanity, old mirror. This all has to go. This is the basement where the family room is located. It has old decorative beams on the ceiling, the walls, and another fireplace. It has two walkout slider windows to a patio. The debris and everything in here will be removed. Here is the only before picture of the deck. It was in very poor condition. You couldn't walk on it for fear of it collapsing. Here's where we start putting the home back together. As you recall, the problem with the home is it only had one bedroom. Many people want more bedrooms, so we decided to convert the loft to a bedroom. The loft was recessed back from the living room, so we were able to push the wall out to add almost 2 feet, fixing the issue with the loft being too small to convert to a bedroom. Now we'll have ample space. See, my contractors have the walls all framed up. You'll also notice that we replaced all of the subfloors. Here's a view from the loft. You can see where we pushed the bedroom floor out to give it more space. And now my contractors have closed up the wall with drywall. There's a lot of inspections that go along with this type of project. We had to have electrical inspection, a framing inspection prior to closing up the wall. I'm down in the basement family room. We've sheetrocked, painted. I had my electrician replace all the receptacles, switches throughout the house and replace all lightings. The floors are going in. Watching a project come together is always my favorite part. Up in the primary bedroom, we ripped out the closets because the doors were so tall and finding replacement ones was a chore only available by special order. So we decided to redesign the closet, frame it in, next it will be sheetrocked. The primary bathroom with the vanity, flooring, shower, and toilet all removed. Now I'll post the final after pictures. I won't narrate, but here's a list of everything I had completed. Replaced the subfloor on the main with OSB. I did an overlay sheetrock in the basement. Scraped all popcorn ceilings. Basement bath installed tile surround, tile flooring, new vanity sink, mirror, lights, toilet. Stairs and railing were sanded and stained. It was actually a pretty big project. Main level replaced the whole kitchen, new cabinets, countertops, appliances. The second bedroom was a loft. It's been converted to a bedroom, and then we added a visual feature on the exterior wall. You'll see that in the pictures. The master bedroom, I had lighting added and sheetrock the whole room. As you recall, there wasn't any overhead light. It was all just lamp lighting in that room, and so we put sconces on the wall and then an overhead light, and then had to wire both of those to one switch, so a switch for both of the lighting systems. Upstairs bath was gutted and completely redone. The deck was removed, the flashing repaired, and brand new composite deck built. So that was actually pretty important, fixing that flashing so we don't have any water problems in the future. The whole interior was painted, every surface. All flooring in the house is thick, new, high luxury vinyl planking. And that's something, a little tip for you if you ever do planking. If you do something a little bit thicker, it goes down really smooth and you don't see any imperfections in floor, because most flooring has some imperfections. Every single light in the house was replaced. All receptacle outlet switches replaced. Brand new furnace, brand new water heater. Had both fireplaces cleaned and inspected. Had the ducts, vents cleaned. The laundry room added new washer and dryer. All 5 slider windows were replaced. All work completed was done by licensed contractors. Permits were pulled and closed. So that's the type of stuff my company does. We buy old homes that need repairs, fix them up, and put them back on the market and sell them. If you know anybody that has a house to sell, shoot them my way. Henry Home Buyer. Thanks for watching.
Henry Home Buyer will buy your house today.